I think we have some great announcement actually coming up today, which maybe in 5 or 10 years when we look back, we could really say, hey, this day was kind of like the starting point of those great activities. So what we are trying to do here is actually adding something to what we do in Hubraum anyway. So I mean, we work with startups, we invest in startups, but what's new here is that we're able to kickstart basically startups in areas where we would like to see new innovations. We develop the ideas, we look for the founders, and then we'll start the company together.
We're really excited to bring together fantastic entrepreneurs alongside the team at hubraum and the expertise and scale of Deutsche Telekom to build new companies from scratch, to launch them to market, and hopefully change industry and solve problems that couldn't be solved any other way outside these partnerships.
I think this is the most founder-friendly project you'll really find anywhere in corporate innovation. And I think the real magic here is to get very ambitious, very talented entrepreneurs and marry them together with the scale, distribution, network and access that Deutsche Telekom can provide, and hopefully the tech operating skill sets and investment skill sets that Founders Factory and hubraum bring together.